How to update delivery address in Coles app. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly update your delivery address in the Coles app using your phone. Locate and tap on the Coles app icon on your smartphone home screen to launch it. Next, if you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. On the home screen, tap on the profile icon or the menu button. From there, select Account Settings. Find and tap on Delivery Address. This will show your currently saved addresses. Edit the fields with your new address information. Make sure all details like street name and postcode are correct. Tap on Save or Confirm to update your delivery address. And that's it! Your delivery address is now updated in the Coles app, making your next grocery order even smoother.